Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to focus on something you touch every time you use an elevated deck: the railings. Railings might seem like a simple detail, but they do a lot of work. They keep people safe at the edges of the deck and on the stairs, and they also frame your view. A railing that feels weak or wobbly does not inspire confidence, and over time, poorly chosen materials can create extra work you did not plan on. Let us start with the basics. If your deck is a certain height off the ground, railings are required. The exact rules depend on local codes, but as a general idea, once you are high enough that a fall could hurt, you need a proper guardrail. That rail has to be strong, at the right height, and built so that small kids cannot easily slip through. The main railing options we see are wood, metal, and composite. Wood railings can match a wood deck and be shaped in many ways. The trade-off is maintenance. Just like wood deck boards, wood rails will need regular staining or painting to stay protected, especially in our sun and rain. Over time, they can crack, splinter, or loosen if not cared for. Metal railings, often made from aluminum or steel, can give a slimmer, more open look. They tend to be strong and durable, and they do not need the same level of ongoing surface maintenance as wood. Powder-coated finishes can handle weather well, though you still want to check connections and hardware over time. Composite railings combine a strong inner structure with composite outer parts that resist fading and surface wear. Many homeowners who choose composite decking also pick matching or coordinating composite railing systems from brands like Trex. This keeps the look consistent and reduces the amount of sanding, staining, and painting you will ever need to do. When we design a railing system, we look at a few key things. How high is the deck? Where are the stairs? How far apart should the posts be so the railing feels solid when you lean on it? What kind of infill makes sense? Vertical balusters, horizontal lines, or panels? All of these decisions change how the deck feels to use and how open your view will be. Stairs deserve special attention. Handrails need to be comfortable to grip, and the posts and connections must be solid. Stair railings often see more movement and abuse than flat sections, simply because people hold them, bump them, and sometimes carry heavy items up and down. Getting this part right adds a lot to the feeling of safety on your deck. Finally, consider how the railing materials match the rest of your outdoor plan. If you are building a low-maintenance composite deck, pairing it with wood railings that will need constant painting can defeat the purpose. If you want a very open view over a pool, patio, or yard, slimmer metal or composite options might work better than bulky designs. If you are unsure which railing approach is right for your deck, you can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com. We can show you real-world examples, explain the pros and cons in everyday terms, and help you choose a system that feels solid every time you touch it. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. We will be back with more straight talk about building outdoor spaces that look good, feel safe, and last.